Hi, and welcome to another Hopper tutorial video. Hopper is a modern semicolon and curly brace language designed to run on small devices like the Raspberry Pi Pico, other microcontrollers, or even 8-bit CPUs like the 6502 or the Z80. Now, traditionally the debugger in Hopper is designed to connect to remote devices via the serial port. So it connects to your Raspberry Pi Pico via the serial port. I recently extended it so that it can also debug locally. So this is on Windows, and I've got two instances of the Hopper environment running on Windows. You can do that. You can run multiple instances. And this program on the left is the portable runtime. It's found under source runtime. And this is what we build and then translate into C to to build the UF2s in the Arduino IDE to make the firmware. So this is what we use to make the firmware, the Hopper runtime that runs on the Raspberry Pi Pico. But I added an option to it to run locally. So if I build it like this, I can run it locally on your Windows machine, and it'll create a fake serial port. So before I run it, if I look in this other window and I look how many ports are there, it says there's no COM ports. If I run this local version of the portable runtime, so what's happening here is I'm running a version of the runtime written in Hopper. I'm running on top of the Windows runtime, which is written in C#. So there, it's running now. And now if I ask for ports, it finds COM0, which is this fake port that is created. So it's now hooked up so that the debugger will use COM0. So if I had a device plugged in as well, and I can do that, I can plug in a device. So I've plugged in a Raspberry Pico device, and now I've got two ports. I've got COM14 and COM0, but I'm still defaulting to COM0. So now if I edit my program and I've got like a hello world here, and it's built like this program is being built as if it's running on a microcontroller. So it's gonna use the serial console, and if the serial port 0 exists, it'll just assume it must use that one. So let's F5 it. Oh, actually, it's because the debugger is set to it. So nothing much is going to happen on this left screen. So let's fade to the right one. Okay, so here we are. So I built it, and it says it successfully uploaded it. And what it means is it uploaded to the local version on Windows. And now if I F5 to run, there I get hello world. And if I reload it in here, it's re-uploaded it. So it's uploading it to that local version. And now I can F10 to step, and I can step into my debugger, and I can go down, F9 to put a breakpoint before the new line. There we go. So easy to actually now, so you can go for unit I equals 1 to 10. Oh, that's basic. I is 10, I plus plus, and start from 0. There we go, and it can rebuild that, F7, so it's building at the bottom, and it's created an actual iHex because it thinks it's uploading to a remote device. And then if I F5, it uploads it to the remote device. We'll put a breakpoint over there, F5, and then each time I press F5, it'll come around the loop one more time. And we can see in the watch window here that our I is increasing. Anyway, short video shows you how with two instances of the Hopper runtime on Windows, one of them running the portable runtime in local mode, you can use the other instance to debug a program on Windows without needing a remote device. Anyway, I'll add links to other playlists at the end of this video so that you can learn more about Hopper. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.